Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we make building your Squarespace website simple and stress-free. Have you ever made changes to your Squarespace design and then realized, oops, I liked the old version better? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to restore your previous design, undo changes, and recover older versions of your pages, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get your old design back safely. Let's start by logging into your Squarespace account. From your dashboard, click on your website to open the editor. If you've just made a change that you regret, like deleting a section or moving an image, Squarespace allows you to quickly undo it. Just press Command+Z on Mac or Control+Z on Windows to undo the last action. Keep in mind, this only works during your current editing session. Once you exit the editor, that undo history disappears. If you need to recover an older version of a page, there's a workaround. Open the Pages panel from the left sidebar. Click the gear icon next to your page and select Duplicate Page. Squarespace doesn't have automatic version history, but if you've duplicated your pages earlier or created backup pages before big changes, this is how you can go back. You can rename the duplicate to match your old design, then drag it into your navigation to replace the current one. If you're working on a large site, it's smart to create full site backups. Squarespace doesn't offer a single Restore Version button, but you can export your site data and re-import it if something goes wrong. Go to Settings and search Export. This saves your content, which you can later import back into a new site if needed. If your site's look changed because you switched templates, you can easily go back to your old one. Head to Design, Template. You'll see all templates you've installed. Hover over your previous template and click Set as Live Template. Squarespace keeps your old template until you delete it, so it's safe to switch back anytime. Let's quickly recap. 1. Undo recent edits with Command or Control+Z. 2. Restore old designs by reactivating duplicated pages. 3. Use Export to backup and import your site later. 4. Revert to a previous template if you changed your theme. And remember, make it a habit to duplicate pages before making big design changes. And that's it. You now know how to restore your previous designs in Squarespace. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button. It really supports the channel. And subscribe for more quick Squarespace tips every week. Got any questions or stuck on something? Drop a comment below. I read and reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.